What is up, guys? Right now we're going to Triple P to go pick up some clips for a video that he did when we went to go race the truck. I'm gonna be editing it for him, so that's basically what I'm gonna be doing. What else? Oh yeah, so I'm gonna drop off the torque converter that I bought to Juan's transmission, because sadly there was so much parts on the transmission that it was like kind of like there was so many parts that we couldn't find in good condition, or the ones that were kind of overpriced. So we just decided to get another transmission. And yeah, so I'm just gonna give the torque converter to Juan because I don't really need it. So yeah, that's pretty much for today's vlog. Here we go. I got a burp.
Stay black.
Stay black. Don't go back. Made it on the channel too? Yeah, you did. Why did the frog cross the road?
Man, you dropped that on your toilet at the end of it.
Oh, look! Pump energy into this video. So yeah, I'm gonna pick up the torque converter right now. It's been a while since I came because I left it here like a week ago or 2 weeks ago. Hopefully they're still here. If they don't have it, I'm going to complain like a Karen. Nah, man. Nothing much.
I recognize your truck.
Dude, you made it on the vlog, bro. Think I should change the wheels already? I'm thinking about it, so I'm just seeing what's up.
Stay black.
Stay black. Don't go back.
All black look good. Black and blue, how you got it?
Yeah. I love it like that. This color does look good in chrome too sometimes, but I like the black midnight version.
Yeah, I got a Dodge billets on it.
Yeah.
It looks clean, but I wish I would have gone with black.
Yeah. What color is it again?
The same color.
Same color? Yeah, I'm gonna keep it like this. I mean, that's what I like about it. And later on, like, start upgrading a little bit more over time. Yeah. Oh, well, good thing he knows me too.
Oh, man.
Alright, man, appreciate it.
Yeah, bro, what you doing?
Made it on the channel too?
I did.
Yeah, you did. I'm gonna do a little cinematic on this truck, cause damn, bro.
It's alright.
Back it up so I can get some good lighting. No importa, it's still a truck. Most people don't appreciate what you have.
Yeah.
Some people don't have a truck like that. You know, my truck is still dirty as f, just because she looks good and she looks dirty and clean. Like, you don't know how to take care of them. Like,
that's why you gotta work for
you have to maintain. Now you gotta cleaning the brake, oil, and it starts adding up. You don't got time for all that sometimes. It's been raining nonstop in Houston, and I've been going off road, and I'm too busy. That's why there's cleaning people, car wash.
I'd rather wash it myself.
I'd rather wash my too, pero because I'm always busy, but like I'm always driving the truck and I don't have time to stop. You going inside? Okay.
Yeah, I gotta get some parts real quick.
What's up, woman?
Please tell me you still have it. I would have thought you guys already threw that thing away. Damn, it's been there this whole time?
Yeah, I left it here for you.
Just waiting for me.
Tell
that was random too.
Tell Juan to sell it for you.
Nah, I'm just gonna give it to him. Oh damn, how am I gonna do this? This thing's heavy.
Try to help you out, man.
Hey, what's your contact right here? What's your?
Oh, right here.
If you guys ever come to Pasadena, here is his info right there. Hold on. This
Tell me Omar send you. I'll give you a little discount.
Damn, this is a white jacket. Ooh, that's what the truck does. No, I'm good. This the wing. This is a Ferrari too, man. When it hits high speeds, it starts doing this. Juan has a lot of clients right now. We are here at Juan's transmission. There they are. Ah man, I gotta slide it over here. The lights. Oh, about to play that game. Why did the frog cross the road?
Oh, wait, the big one?
Hot. Oh, chin. You lo vi?
Man, you dropped that on your toilet at the end of it.
Yeah, that would be the end of it. That is a present for Juan because I don't need it.
Why did
They didn't
return it?
Nah.
¿Qué te dijeron? Ah, que necesitabas la caja.
Ajá. Así me lo hicieron, me lo dieron. No? Hey, I got, remember that box y'all gave me,
A
right?
different one?
The one that I...
Oh, no,
Otra vez.
Pero ¿por qué te dijeron que sin caja no te
Es que cuando me lo dieron, ¿verdad? You gave, so we can put
Yeah,
the
the
caja
box.
y'all gave me so I can put it in. And I took it over there and that's basically the box.
So they told you because that you couldn't return it?
Yeah, they had the box, but I told them just throw that one out and just put it on the used
¿Pero
one.
no te dieron caja o sí?
Sí, pues se la quitaron allá.
Sí.
They took it from you over there, no?
Yeah, they
Pues
took it
porque
out. I just told them to take it out from there.
Ah.
I just told them to take it out from there and just put it on the caja that I brought it, you know, the old one. We're at the Toretto's house.
What?
Garage, the Toretto's garage. Ahí está Juan, la turbina que te dije. ¿Cómo está jalando?
Jalando, Marcito.
¿Qué está haciendo?
Aquí una 6L80, Marcito.
¿Sí?
Acabándola, para acabar el día.
Ese es el último entonces,
Como la
¿verdad?
tuya, igual.
Exactamente, ¿qué le pasó a este?
Se quemó también, 4, 5 y 6. Lo de siempre.
¿El mío no se quemó los gears o qué?
Pero ya creo la pompa. Ya se habían quemado.
Ah,
Sí.
no, pues bueno. No, pues ahí está el turbina que te dije. No me lo querían
Te voy a-
regresar porque no
Te voy a
tenía...
buscar la caja y si no, yo te voy a regresar el dinero de lo que pagas por ella.
No, no está bien, así lo
Para que
dejamos.
te alivianes.
Alright guys, so right now I am going to Alex's place to check out his maroon truck that he's loading up on the trailer at the moment. So yeah guys, if you guys are wanting to get... Damn. What are you doing, man? Some people in the comments said where is this place at? And here it is, 1505 South Street, Pasadena, Texas 77503. If you want to call JUAN's Transmission 1-day service is 713-477-6196. If it was reversed, I would have said 69 at the end. I got a dirty man, I'm sorry. You can see exactly every little detail of you right now.
A la verga. Ya me se acomodaba, güey.
There she is, my clone, my twin, because he bought a truck just like mine. Well, his is better because it's an original, I think it's original, 16 to 18 front end, single cab, I think. Where are you at? Alex!
What's up?
Come here. Nah. He come. I don't care. Come here. I don't care. You're getting pet, boy. Oh, he's just. Oh, good boy. Good
Mark.
boy. What?
Pull your truck a little bit this way. Someone want to hook up the trailer. Fancy camera.
Oh, right. Cost me a lot. Still paying for it.
Gotta get all the angles.
But look at this truck right here. What's that bucket doing on the hood? Alex,
For the hood exit. When it rains, so water won't go in there.
you got that what? That turbo what? Truck. Damn, bro. What the f? They had to cut this. Oh, I didn't even know they could do that. What year is this truck?
16?
16. The original front end. And you got the badass fucking wheels on there, just like Freddie, huh?
Yeah. Well, it came with them. I'm not that much of a fan of those wheels. I'm gonna take them off.
How much you want for them?
Shit.
You want to trade?
You wanna see the hood of it?
Yeah, I do. So where are you gonna take the maroon truck at?
So, I'm gonna go mount some new tires on it tomorrow.
Fix the problem that was from the last
Nothing was
time? Huh?
I got it down the next day after the track, and I went to go cruise all the way to Galveston.
So
And
nothing was wrong.
I think there was oil in the
Damn. What turbo is this?
It's a comp 76 millimeter.
Damn, bro. 76?
Yeah.
6. That was a 72. 6.2?
Yeah.
How much is it? How much is it pushing right now?
Right now I'm pump gas like on 11 pounds. It has like 700 to the wheels, but it has port injection, so it has the 8 injection on the fuel, and it has the direct injection as well. But we haven't tuned it on the fuel system.
Why haven't you been using it? It's not.
We're gonna take it to my boy Rafa to get a new turbo kit. I don't like that's the turbo kit came with.
You said how many pounds in it again?
It's not like on 10-11 pounds.
10, 11 pounds.
Yeah, it's a 462 with
So
a 8-speed swap.
You can push it if you wanted a little bit more.
Yeah,
or
it's
what?
sports.
Yo, how did it feel when you stepped on it? 8 speed? Damn.
Yeah, it goes. It feels pretty good.
You think it'll take down the Coyote?
I don't know. Them Coyotes.
We gotta figure out a ways to make it happen.
Have you seen this one? How it came out?
No. I know you changed the wheels and everything. Oh yeah, you say you turbo this one too, right?
Yeah, turbo this one too.
4-wheel drive.
Yeah, I'm ordering some wheels for it. Got the billetin. Order a drag pack all around.
Damn. Good Burt Warner right here, turbo.
That's a 85
Wastegate. Where's the blowout valve at?
The blow bolt's over here. It's on top of the.
Oh, you have it.
cooler.
Okay, you could do that? I didn't even know you could do that. Nah, I mean, not
I have
that
a
close.
custom catch can right here in the water reservoir.
From your own or what?
My boy Rafa made it for me. It's custom made.
What millimeter turbo is this?
85 millimeter.
85? Is the same 5.3?
Yeah, it's a 5.3. Right now, actually, some guys on the way to the shop is gonna drop me off a 6.2 block, just a block, and I'm gonna order the forged rods and pistons for it.
So you're gonna be building a 6.2 too?
Yeah, I'm gonna build a forged 6.2 for this.
5.3. How much is this one pulling down again?
Nah, it's still on the stock fuel system.
Yeah.
I took it to get tuned with Caesar, and like on 8 pounds, it ran out of fuel pump and everything.
Oh,
yeah.
So what do you think on me? Like, I don't know how the fuck I did it. I mean, it was 10 pounds for a V6.
I mean,
Literally 10 pounds for a V6. That's why I'm like, now I'm like, what the fuck? I never really thought it was a big deal until you guys kept pushing. Like,
right now it went lean like on 8 pounds. I'm gonna need, but on this one, instead of doing like the port injection like that one has,
yeah.
it's too much wiring. So on this one, I'm gonna actually buy like the I think fuel injector clinic. I think they're gonna come out with the 65% over LT4 injectors. And if not, I'm gonna get them from K-Tech. I'm gonna do the big bore pump, and I'm gonna do dual 535 pumps in the tank.
You think I could, like, the V6 could have made that much, like, really, like, because only playing with 6 cylinders, so it had enough fuel
boost
to
is
pump
boost,
in.
like turbo. It'll make power. Your
It's
truck
kinda
made good
weird.
power for being on the stock cam and all that stuff. You know what I'm saying?
Stock everything,
Yeah,
bro.
so it made really good.
It didn't blow because
No,
the
I mean,
motor couldn't handle it. It blew
was your,
because
it was your
because
fault.
of what I did.
Yeah, no, I mean, your truck put really good power for what it was.
And I'm freaking, like, still weirded out. What the hell is the difference?
This one with the fuel system and the forged motor, I'm gonna try to get it like close to the 1,000 horsepower range.
So what do you think I should do? Because, you know, I'm putting a 5.3 with a cam in there. I got the 72 millimeter turbo.
Oh, you're gonna turbo it?
Yeah.
But you're gonna keep that same turbo setup you had?
Yeah.
All the restriction, all that thing's gonna work, but I mean, it should put okay power. It should put down 500 at least.
This one's not cam, right?
Yeah.
It's cam?
That one's cam.
You gonna try to order the same one that you got on this one?
No.
or it's gonna be a little
Well, this
different?
one's a 5.3 with a Texas Speed Stage 3 cam. I'm gonna get a custom grind from Texas Speed, like for boost.
So which one should I get for the meantime, or what do you think?
Do you already have that motor?
I got the motor outside. Yeah, I got it.
Oh, you have a 5.3
yeah,
already?
it's literally right there.
I would have told you I would have sold you this one.
For how much?
For you, cheap.
Damn.
You told me you wanted it, I would have put it out. Well, I'm gonna put a 6.2 in here anyways.
If anything happens to the other one, I hit you up.
I like how this cam worked on this motor with nitrous. With nitrous, it worked really good.
Oh, so right now you're spraying nitrous with the turbo.
No. I just left it on there, but
Oh, okay.
it used to have nitrous before the turbo. Well, it still has it.
Go. This is not a cold start right here, right? This is warmed up. You can just step it on a little bit,
The downpipe's over there. I don't have it to the back.
Oh, okay. Go for it. I like it. Damn, you got a badass cluster in here. I'm gonna do a little cinematic on this truck. Coming up. I can't wait for this one to be like this. Yeah. I can't wait for my truck to be just like this one. You gonna keep this one forever or what?
You never know.
bad. You're bad too, buddy. Ah. What's up, Easy Clusters?
Going on.
We'll probably get a cluster, man. So
Ready,
I'll
man?
hit you up because this truck right here, she's gonna be one of those one truck that everybody's gonna remember. Well, technically everybody already knows it. It's just I want to beef it up more, you know, give it the ultimate 1320 Texas 2K look. What? I like
that was a statement. I love it.
I always kept saying it, and it's gonna happen. Look at that front end.
That 1320 Texas 2K looks.
Really want to get some 20s.
Like my C10, how it came out or no?
Yeah, I saw it so many times on Freddie's channel.
Oh yeah, he posted on the channel.
Yeah, came out nice. What you gonna be doing to it? Okay.
Waiting for the interior guy to have some space to do a custom interior on it and a custom sound system.
It's gonna be a cruiser? It's just gonna be a cruiser?
No, it's a 6.2 swap already.
But you're just gonna cruise it around. You're not gonna race it like.
No, I'm gonna race it. I'm gonna do a heads and cam setup. I'm gonna try to do like a all motor setup, just like to run 11s on motor.
Bad.
We multitask.
Yeah.
Man, I can't wait to do mine. C10. It's getting there. It's just I'm focusing on that truck first. I'm gonna hit you up with the motor, cause I mean, damn, bro, it's already done deal. Like, I already know what it sounds like, you know. So I'll hit you up.
Let me know and I'll put it out the same day.
I just can't wait for the C10 to get built too. Cause as soon as that thing's done, we're moving up to the C10 and we're gonna try. Well, if we can, I know it's possible. Like enter it with you guys, like Freddie and yours event.
Oh, okay,
that
okay.
event.
In March.
Yeah, enter it right there.
That's what I'm
so
trying to
it's
get
all
the-
motor, right? All motor event. That's it.
The what?
The class right there, the one you said is all motor, or
no,
is
no,
it
no.
boosted type or what?
We have it's gonna be a 12-second index. First place winner for the 12-second index gets 1,000. We're gonna have an 11-second index. This quarter mile. The first place winner is gonna get 1,500. We're gonna have a 10-second index. First place gets 2,000, and then we're gonna have a 6.0 8th mile class. Not 6.0 the motor, 6.0 time wise. That's gonna be 8th mile, and they're gonna get 3,000 for the first place winner.
All right, the battery's about to die.
And then we're gonna have an outlaw class, 8th mile. Anything goes outlaw class. It's just gonna be a truck, and that's 5,000 to the first place winner.
Easy Clusters. Well, now I know what you look like now.